professional chef.
Hello dear YouTube family. Today, I'm going to cook stuffed pumpkin. Pumpkin provides calcium, potassium, and magnesium, which can help keep your heartbeat regular and your blood pressure low. The fiber in pumpkin can also play a part in lowering blood pressure as well as cholesterol. In addition, the fiber in pumpkin makes you feel full, promoting weight loss. After washing and wiping it dry, I make a circular cut about an inch below the top. Then, I cleaned out the seeds and loose fibers from the inside. Wow, look at the thickness of the skin. Which means that it is going to take more time to be cooked in the oven. Use your hand to pull out the seeds and the loose fibers, like I did. Or you can use a tablespoon to do the job. To prepare the stuffings, I added about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the saucepan. Chopped 3 cloves of garlic. Chopped half of a medium-sized onion. Once started sizzling, add 200 grams of beef meat. Lamb meat is even tastier than beef meat. Don't you agree with me? Sprinkle some salt and some black peppers as well. Mix them together. After a couple of minutes, add about half a cup of tomato paste and a cup of hot water. Half a cup of chickpeas. Add some medium-sized mushrooms, and you can slice them too. Mix them well. Add about 3/4 of a cup of soaked bulgur. Burghul, also known as bulgur wheat, is a common ingredient in Jordan. It's also used to make tabbouleh. Cover and cook for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, back to the pumpkin. Taint the inside skin of the pumpkin with 1 tablespoon of citrus honey. The natural sweetness of the pumpkin is amplified by the honey, creating a caramelized richness. Use the back of the spoon to coat the inside, because honey is quite thick and the brush won't do the job properly. The stuffings are almost ready now. Finally, I added some prunes, which are dried plums, and some dried cranberries as well. Mix them all very well, and the stuffings are ready now to fill in the pumpkin. I put the mixture into the pumpkin while very hot. This will help to cook the inside thickness of the pumpkin. Wow, it already smells so delicious. Put its cover on, and we need to wrap it up with aluminum foil. Aluminum foil has a shiny side and a dull side. I make the glossy and shiny side facing the pumpkin, so it reflects more heat. I guess not many chefs know that. I placed it on the middle shelf of a preheated oven at 220 Celsius, about 430 Fahrenheit. After about 2 hours, it is done. There is only one way to find out. Let us remove the foil and see for ourselves. The flesh changed color from orange to a deeper and richer shade. Additionally, the skin wrinkled and softened. Wow, it looks delicious and smells like cooked pumpkins. Another test is simply inserting a fork into the thickest part of the pumpkin flesh. It is ready now. Let's cut some pieces and dive in. Some people tend to brush the outside skin with butter to give it a shiny look. This is not just food, it's an adventure for your senses. Every bite is a journey, a discovery of unexpected harmonies that leave you wanting more. Now, close your eyes and take a bite. Each bite explodes with a symphony of textures. Tender beef that melts on your tongue, juicy bursts of prunes and cranberries. The chickpeas bring a creamy richness, and the burgle provides a delightful textural contrast. To have a crunchy taste, you can sprinkle some roasted almonds on top. Also, you can sprinkle mozzarella cheese over the top and bake at 220 Celsius for 10 minutes to melt the cheese. Bon appétit!